Here is how to set up a chart of accounts in Xero, step by step. Start by signing in to your Xero account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to Settings. This is where Xero groups the main configuration options for your organization, including the area where account records are managed. After Settings opens, look under the Accounting section and click Chart of Accounts. That will take you to the list of accounts already available in the file, including any defaults that were added when the organization was created. From the Chart of Accounts page, click Add Account. This opens the account form where you enter the details for the new account. The first field to focus on is the account type. Select the type that matches the purpose of the account you are creating. This is an important choice because it determines how the account is categorized inside Xero and how it appears in your records. After choosing the account type, move to the Account Details section. Enter the account code, then enter the name of the account. If you want to include more detail, you can also add a description. The description is optional, so you only need to fill it in when it helps clarify how the account should be used. Make sure the code and name fit the structure you want in your chart, since these are the details you will see later when working with transactions and reports. Next, choose the default tax setting for the account. This controls which tax rate Xero applies by default when the account is used. If there are any additional options available on the form and you need them for this account, configure those as well before saving. It is worth checking this section carefully so the account behaves the way you expect once it is in use. When everything looks correct, click Save. Xero will add the new account to your chart of accounts, and it should now appear in the list with the rest of your accounts. At this stage, you can review the new entry to confirm that the account type, code, name, and tax setting were entered as intended. If you need more than one account, repeat the same process for each additional account you want to create. Return to Add Account, select the appropriate account type, enter the code and name, include a description if needed, choose the default tax setting, adjust any extra options, and then save again. Repeating the same structure for each account helps keep the chart organized and consistent across your Xero file. Your chart of accounts in Xero is now updated with the accounts you created.